Hello, so today we're going to be doing how to make slime with foam before floam. No,
Foam.
floam is slime foam.
Yeah, but it's with foam.
It's going to be looking like this, something like this. If you could see that. So we're going to start off with glue. Wait, we're going to need Airwick. Well, we can reuse it.
Just do like this, yeah. PVA glue.
Baking soda.
It doesn't have to be washable PVA glue. It can be any PVA glue.
A bowl and a spoon. Foam beads, obviously,
If
because
you
that's what
want.
you're making. If you want, yeah, we can just do normal fun tutorials this as well. And yeah, you can add anything you want. You can add glitter and stuff. So
Yeah. So if you're watching this from Abby's channel, because we're going to put it on both of our channels.
yes,
If you're watching it from Abby's channel, subscribe to her and me.
yeah.
Don't forget me.
And so as well, because we're in the UK, we use Airwick for our slime.
So this is how to make slime with
Airwick.
English ingredients.
Yeah, because in America you get borax and stuff. Well, we could get borax, but and there's other ways, but we're just doing Airwick because Airwick is just
Basically,
yeah.
borax.
So open the glue.
Yeah,
So-
it is open.
Okay, so you're gonna put some in. I feel like that's gonna take ages to come out. You just want to put in just how much slime you
bag?
want. Yeah. You put in how much slime you want.
Satisfying. Do you think that'll be enough?
A little bit more. We need to- Okay,
Okay,
so
we're just putting in like that much.
yeah.
You can see. If you can see.
So now we're gonna add in.
So
Foam
this
beads.
is our first time trying it this way.
Yeah, so we're
This
probably.
way, if it fails, then
I'm just gonna put in enough for the whole top to be like. There we go.
okay.
That might be
And
too
then
much.
Should we mix it?
Yeah, and then you want to mix it. Can you seal that off? You want to mix it. I don't know why I'm mixing it, but you know.
Just
Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to add in a little bit of
Oh.
baking soda.
Just use your fingers.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna just
Pour it in. I'll mix it.
make sure to don't put like loads in.
Yeah, just like a.
Not gonna. There we go.
Just like you see that much.
And then mix it.
And then mix.
And then I'm gonna put in 7 seconds of Airwick.
7 seconds, but this is like hardly any. Remember, just a little bit. Remember, just do like 3 seconds first. Okay. Oh, right in my face.
This has got some slime on it.
Yeah, I
There's loads of slime on it.
See?
Yeah.
So this is what.
Keep mixing it.
So you can see it. It's now forming a slime.
It's now forming as slime.
And yeah, just don't add too much.
Because otherwise it'll get really watery. We learned that.
Yeah,
We'll
we'll
put it
get that out. And then it just after
Sorry.
a while, it just like after in the tub, all water comes out of it, and I had to throw it away.
Yeah.
Sad days.
So, yeah.
Ugh.
So it will be sticky at first, but if you just keep playing with it, it will turn not sticky.
Yeah.
So just keep playing with it.
See, it's a slime. It's not even sticky.
Now we're going to move the pot up.
So here it is. It's kind of small, but you can keep adding to it. Yeah, look, the beads are not falling out anymore.
They did. They just did.
Anyway. Literally, on this one, see, whenever you play with it, all the beads just like.
Let me just
fall
put it
out.
like this.
All the beads just fall out. Yeah, you can play with that.
See, we already played some of it. This is really sticky, so we wanted to make another one. This one's really sticky. Slime sticks to me really easily. Don't know why.
It never sticks to me. Look.
But this was just pink slime, so if you've seen the pink slime on Elsie Mae's channel, then that's what slime it was, and then we put foam beads in it, and well, Elsie Mae did.
Abby, this will not stick to you.
I bet it will.
It won't. You see? It's not sticking to you.
Wait, let me come around this side. You just see if I can see. You go around there. It's kind of small.
Yeah, but maybe it's good like that, isn't it?
It is still a little bit sticky for me.
Well, slime is sticky, isn't it? Well, it's not really like keeping.
Yeah, but you've got to make it sticky, otherwise all the foam beads will fall out. So, and it's really stretchy.
It's not really sticking to you, is it?
No, not as much as it sometimes
hang on,
does.
Okay, so just one. The foam beads will.
So
fall
some
out
of them
a little
fall
bit.
out.
So yeah, but I would advise you playing on a table.
Yeah. Well, you can hold it if you want, but. We try and
And
make
now we are going. You can colour it if you want with paint.
But I just think it's nice like this.
Yeah, and you can make it bigger by like. Yeah.
But we just wanted to test this out, so.
So this is the tub that we're going to use for it. It's got it did say Rocky Road on it, but it was like an ice cream tub thing.
So let's see if it fits. It will fit.
Yay!
This is actually one of the smallest slimes we've made.
Yeah.
And then, yeah. So
Now we're going to get on to
how to make normal slime.
I
How to make just normal slime now.
Yeah. Okay.